Hurricane season has come to a close. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci, and we've had to span 2 different languages and many different records, but the 2020 Atlantic hurricane season did end on Monday, on November 30th. Everywhere where you see an asterisk is where we broke a record. So we broke records for the number of named storms as well as the number of U.S. landfalls. And we're comparing this to 2005 because it was the only other year that we had to go into the Greek alphabet for names. And you can see it broke a couple of records of its own. Now, one record that we did not break this year is the accumulated cyclone energy index. Put in other words, how much energy was generated by all the depressions, storms, and hurricanes throughout this hurricane season. We came in 13th place. That's still quite high considering when hurricane season goes back about 140 years on record, but nowhere near the top, and you see 2005 in the 2nd spot. Let's take a look at our satellite here closer to home. We have this large counterclockwise swirling low pressure system that's located right now just in Quebec. A long cold front is extending out of that. That was our rain on Monday. For us, we are just seeing cloud cover throughout the area, but eventually we're going to get into some of this high pressure that brought very chilly air to Florida. In fact, Boston, Massachusetts was warmer today than Jacksonville, Florida, which only had a high of 50 degrees. Let's take a look at our evening forecast. Temperatures slowly sliding here as we go throughout the night. We still have a little bit of a brisk west-southwesterly wind, and as we go into tonight, we'll see low temperatures just around the freezing mark on the mainland for Avalon, Stone Harbor, and the shore will be in the upper 30s here. Wind chills will be in the 20s until after midnight as that westerly wind does continue to blow. Now, as we go into Wednesday, it's a cooler day. Temperatures about 5 degrees below average. It's one of those days where you'll need the winter jacket in the morning and you'll need it all day long. Even though we have sunshine, it's a very weak sunshine. In fact, we're as strong during the middle of the day with our sun as we are at 8:30 a.m. on July 2nd, just for a little bit of knowledge there for you. Now let's take a look at the weekend. 2 scenarios at play. This is the American model. You see a lot of rain coming through as that low pressure system cuts inland. Now let's take a look at the Canadian model here. Also bringing rain as we go into Saturday and Sunday. But look where the low pressure is. It's a little further to the south and east. In fact, it's going to hover right over us, and you see some snow getting into Pennsylvania as well as upstate New York and northern New Jersey. So it's not a full washout for the weekend, and there will be some heavy rain, and coastal flooding will probably occur at some point, but details on that are still a little too early to be told. We will need another day for that. Let's take a look at our daytime planner for our Wednesday here. Outdoor dining forecast. Well, we'll give you a yellow light here just because it's on the cooler side. Otherwise, we are looking A-OK. Here's a look at our mainland 7-day forecast. Mid-50s for our Thursday and Friday. No weather complaints there. The weekend is when we have that storm system coming through. Again, it's not a washout, but there will be rain for, we'll say, 18 to even 24 hours during that time. We'll have more details for you as we go into the day on Wednesday. We flip over to the shore 7-day. We'll take you to Monday and Tuesday. Dry and seasonable days in South Jersey. Have a great night, everybody. We'll be back with you at 6:30 tomorrow morning, giving you the latest in South Jersey weather. And meanwhile, you can follow me on social media, or you can always come back to our website where you can sign up for my newsletter at thepressofac.com/weather.